Welcome back to the Car Master Tips channel. Today, I'm going to share the secret sauce and practical steps that anyone can easily follow to make your engine run like new again. This video won't just extend your engine's life, it will fundamentally change your driving experience. 1. The right oil and timely changes. It's not just about changing the oil, it's about choosing the correct oil. Use oil that precisely matches your vehicle's owner's manual for API classification, e.g., SN+, SP, and viscosity, e.g., 5W30, 0W20. The wrong oil can increase internal engine friction, causing wear and performance issues. Emphasize that synthetic oils offer superior protection and longer change intervals. Oil doesn't just lubricate, it also cools, cleans, and prevents rust. Old, contaminated oil can't perform these vital functions. Pro tip: if you primarily drive short distances or in stop-and-go traffic, consider shortening your oil change interval slightly. 2. Premium oil filter and proper installation. When changing your oil, always replace it with a high-quality oil filter. Cheap filters can degrade over time or have poor filtration capacity. The oil filter removes contaminants, metal particles, and sludge from the engine oil, protecting sensitive internal components. A clogged filter can restrict oil flow. Pro tip: ensure the filter seal is seated correctly to prevent leaks. 3. Air filter. Beyond just replacement, regularly inspect your air filter and replace it if it's dirty. Crucially, choose the correct type and size of filter for your vehicle. Mention that upgrading to performance-oriented filters, e.g., K&N, AEM, can improve airflow and engine responsiveness, but require specific cleaning and maintenance. A clean air filter ensures your engine gets enough oxygen for efficient combustion, leading to better power and fuel economy. 4. Spark plugs. The right heat range and gap. It's not just about changing spark plugs, it's about choosing the correct heat range and gapping them properly. Worn or incorrect spark plugs lead to misfires, reduced power, poor fuel economy, and increased emissions. Discuss the difference between hot and cold plugs and why selecting the right one for your engine and driving style is essential. Pro tip: invest in iridium or platinum plugs for extended life and consistent performance. 5. Fuel system cleaners. Targeting specific deposits. While widely known, delve deeper. Explain that high-quality fuel system cleaners contain detergents that specifically target carbon deposits on fuel injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. These deposits disrupt fuel spray patterns, leading to inefficient combustion. Recommend using a cleaner every 3,000–5,000 miles, especially if you use lower-grade fuel. Showcase a bottle and explain what to look for on the label, e.g., P, polyethylamine. 6. Coolant system flush and quality antifreeze. Don't just top off your coolant, perform a full cooling system flush at recommended intervals, typically every 2 to 5 years. Over time, antifreeze loses its corrosion inhibitors and can become acidic, leading to rust and deposits that clog your radiator and heater core. Use the correct type of antifreeze for your vehicle, e.g., OAT, HOAT, IAT, as mixing types can cause gel formation and damage. Pro tip: inspect hoses for cracks or swelling and replace them as needed. 7. PCV valve inspection and cleaning. Replacement. This often overlooked valve is crucial. The positive crankcase ventilation, PCV, valve manages pressure inside the engine's crankcase, preventing sludge buildup and oil leaks. A clogged PCV valve can cause pressure to build, leading to oil consumption, rough idling, and even blown seals. Demonstrate how to check it, shaking it for a rattle, and emphasize its importance for engine longevity and oil cleanliness. 8. Clean throttle body. 1.5 minutes. Carbon and oil vapor can build up on the throttle body, restricting airflow and causing erratic idle, stalling, or hesitation during acceleration. Show viewers how to carefully clean the throttle body using a specialized cleaner and a lint-free cloth. Emphasize disconnecting the battery and not moving the butterfly valve manually on electronic throttle bodies. 9. Mass airflow, MAF, sensor cleaning. The MAF sensor measures the amount of air entering the engine, which is vital for proper fuel mixture. It can get contaminated with dirt and oil vapor from the air filter or PCV system, leading to poor fuel economy, rough idle, and check engine lights. Show how to gently clean the MAF sensor using a specialized MAF sensor cleaner. Never use regular brake cleaner or carb cleaner. 10. Check and clean ground wires. Often ignored, poor electrical grounds can lead to various engine issues, including misfires, sensor malfunctions, and weak spark. Corrosion on ground wires and terminals can restrict current flow. Advise viewers to inspect and clean engine ground straps and battery terminals with a wire brush and apply dielectric grease for protection. 11. O2 sensor inspection and replacement. Oxygen, O2, sensors monitor exhaust gases to ensure the engine runs at an optimal air-fuel ratio. Over time, they can become sluggish or fail, leading to reduced fuel economy and increased emissions. Explain how a faulty O2 sensor can trick the engine's computer into running too rich or too lean. Suggest having them checked during tune-ups, especially if fuel economy drops or a check engine light appears. 12. Drive belt and pulley inspection. While not directly engine internals, the drive belt, serpentine belt, powers critical engine accessories like the alternator, power steering pump, and AC compressor. Inspect it for cracks, fraying, or glazing. Also, check pulleys for wobbling or unusual noises, which could indicate a failing bearing. A failing belt or pulley can cause loss of essential engine functions. 13. Vacuum leak detection. Vacuum leaks can cause rough idle, poor fuel economy, and even stalling. They happen when air enters the engine after the MAF sensor through cracked hoses or loose connections. Show simple ways to check for vacuum leaks, like listening for hissing sounds or carefully spraying a small amount of non-flammable carb cleaner, briefly, around suspected areas. Engine RPM will briefly increase if there's a leak. 14. Transmission fluid check and service. While separate, the transmission's health directly impacts how the engine's power gets to the wheels. Old, dirty transmission fluid can cause harsh shifts, slipping, and increased load on the engine. Explain the difference between a fluid drain and fill versus a full flush. Emphasize using the correct type of transmission fluid, ATF, CVT fluid, etc., for your specific vehicle. 15. Adopt proactive driving habits. Beyond mechanical tips, driving habits play a huge role. Avoid frequent short trips where the engine never reaches optimal operating temperature. Practice smooth acceleration and deceleration. Avoid excessive idling. And, crucially, don't ignore dashboard warning lights, address them promptly. Proactive driving reduces engine wear and tear over the long run. 16. Fuel pressure check. Your engine's fuel pressure is critical for both performance and efficiency. If the fuel pressure is too low, the engine might not get enough fuel, leading to misfires and power loss. Conversely, excessively high pressure can also cause issues. Problems with the fuel pump, fuel filter, or pressure regulator can all impact fuel pressure. If you're experiencing a drop in performance, having the fuel pressure checked by a professional is an important step to ensure your engine is running correctly. 17. Ignition coil and spark plug wire inspection. Just as important as spark plugs are the ignition coils and, in some vehicles, spark plug wires. These can wear out or fail over time. Worn spark plug wires or faulty coils prevent sufficient voltage from reaching the spark plugs, leading to weak ignition, engine misfires, and reduced performance. If you feel a stumble or hesitation, especially at idle or during acceleration, inspect these components and replace them if necessary to ensure your engine runs smoothly. 18. Battery and charging system health. While not directly an internal engine part, the battery and charging system are fundamental for the engine's smooth operation. A weak battery can cause difficult starting or prevent the engine from starting at all. An issue with the alternator can prevent the battery from charging sufficiently, impacting the entire electrical system. A stable electrical system ensures the engine control unit, ECU, and other sensors receive accurate data, helping your engine perform optimally. Make sure battery terminals are clean and securely connected. 19. Engine mount inspection. Your engine is connected to the vehicle's chassis by engine mounts. These mounts absorb engine vibrations, preventing them from being transmitted into the cabin, and hold the engine securely in place. Over time, worn or cracked mounts can lead to excessive engine movement, abnormal noises, and even clunking during gear shifts. Excessive engine movement can indirectly cause issues by putting added stress on other connected components, e.g., exhaust, hoses. 20. Professional diagnostic scans. Beyond all the visual checks and simple replacements, the best way to uncover hidden engine issues is through regular professional diagnostic scans. In modern vehicles, the engine control unit, ECU, collects data from hundreds of sensors. Even without a check engine light, a professional can monitor live data streams to identify potential problems, e.g., slow responding sensors, values nearing critical limits. This allows for small issues to be caught before they escalate, ensuring your engine always performs at its best.